Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen really good. We'll begin by transforming your instant ramen broth. First, choose a good quality instant ramen packet. Then, in a small pot, sauté finely minced garlic and grated ginger for about 30 seconds. Add the ramen seasoning packet, 400 milliliters of water, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and a teaspoon of sesame oil. Bring this flavorful mixture to a gentle simmer, letting the aromas meld beautifully. Next, let's perfect the noodles and prepare our delicious toppings. Cook your ramen noodles in a separate pot of boiling water according to package directions, usually for about 2 to 3 minutes. This prevents them from getting mushy in the broth. For a classic soft-boiled egg, cook it for exactly 6.5 minutes, then immediately plunge into an ice bath. Thinly slice some fresh green onions and prepare a few pieces of savory roasted pork belly. Now comes the exciting part, assembling your masterpiece. First, pour your hot, aromatic broth into a large, deep ramen bowl. Next, carefully transfer the perfectly cooked, drained noodles into the broth, ensuring they are submerged. Finally, artfully arrange your prepared toppings on top of the noodles. Place the halved soft-boiled egg, sliced pork belly, and green onions neatly for a visually appealing presentation. Your delicious ramen is almost ready. This is where you can truly make it your own. Feel free to add a drizzle of chili oil or a dash of sriracha for a spicy kick. For extra texture and flavor, consider adding a sheet of nori seaweed or a spoonful of sweet corn kernels. Take a moment to appreciate your homemade, restaurant-quality ramen. Now, grab your chopsticks and savor every single flavorful bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.